pretty crazy, the actual surging sparks, how much they're going for online. There is a PSA 10 Pikachu right now that is definitely going for a ton of money. Everybody's probably heard about it. It's going for 420,000 K. It's a PSA 10. These have just came out, so 100% that's like a fake account or something like that that's going on. But most definitely, I do want to get my hands on it. I'm not going to pay 420K for one. That would be completely ridiculous. I did get a Latias yesterday. It was a hyper rare. These packs are a bit hard to break into, but let's get to it. We'll run through some of the cards. I am trying to go for a master collection, or at least a full-on binder when it comes down to these cards. $20,000 for a PSA 10 Pikachu is a bit nuts for me. Not definitely something that I would spend money on. But we got a Togepi. Oh, this thing is beautiful. We have a hit, guys. 100%. This is such a cool card. I didn't expect to get a hit, but when they do happen, I love it. This is a super beautiful card. Awesome. That's a hit. Hopefully I can put a PSA 10 slab on that. It does take about like 50 days for them to come back. 45-50 days just through the snail mail. Keep mixing these up. Let's go. Do you guys do PSA 10 or CGC? Definitely some feedback would be awesome. I've been using PSA 10 just because of their reputation. They go back for a really long time. They're a way to certify cards and a ton of other collectibles. I do like their name, and sweet that it is a common card. Yo, let's go. Whoa. All right, I got a Pikachu. Yes, I do. Oh, that's a sweet card. That's a super sweet card. Let's go. Come on. Alrighty. That's really good. Alright, let's go. And this primate. This is a sick card. Yo, what detail on this? For having that much detail and just the artwork on the primate, I'm pretty surprised on that. Pretty surprised that I got a Pikachu now. That's a sick card to have. And a SPEC rare. Sweet. Terrapicos. Yo, let's go. Alright, cards that really stood out is Terrapicos. It's just a rare card. It's really cool. This is for a common card. This primate is really cool. I'm just gonna say that. This is an illustration. We got our hyper rare, and we have an SPEC rare. Ooh, this Pikachu is just, it's nice. Okay, I will catch you guys later when I do get a couple more. I'm gonna go for another booster bundle, 100%.